Welcome to the class of Advanced Digital Marketing, and today's session is on search engine optimization. In this session, we will be learning what is SEO, what are the types of SEO, what are SEO factors, and what are SEO tools. So let us begin. SEO, that is search engine optimization. Here is the definition. Let me read it first and then I'll explain it. Search engine optimization is the process of improving the quality of the content on your website in order to increase the visibility of a product or service with a specific keyword when people search it on the search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo, etc. So let us understand with an example. So I am running a marketing agency and a digital marketing coaching service. So my keyword may be digital marketing agency, or digital marketing coaching classes in Mysore. If we go in specific words, digital marketing classes in Mysore, or if I'm in a place where the location does matter, so I can also use digital marketing classes in India online. So these are some of the keywords or headings which will help you rank better in Google search. So now let us understand the types of SEO. The first one is the on-page SEO. The second one is the off-page SEO. So on-page SEO are the efforts which are made on the website. The activities which you do on your website will be termed as an on-page SEO. Whatever keywords you have written on the website, whatever images which you have used on the website, everything counts on-page SEO. Now the second type of SEO is the off-page SEO. This is the effort which you make apart from your website, like backlinking, sending one website or linking one website into another website, that is called as backlinking, that we will be learning very soon. So these are the two of the types of SEO. Next one is the technical SEO. This is the process of improving the technical aspects of your website. That mainly includes the speed optimization, mobile friendly website, and safe, secure log. So let me explain these 3 points one by one. Suppose you visit any website, there is a high possibility that you may have seen the lock symbol on the left hand side on the website. That is called as safe secure lock. This is actually done in order to protect your website. Now the second one is mobile friendly website. There are few sites which can only be visited on the desktop or laptop. This is a major drawback when most people use their cell phones or tablets to visit some of the websites. So if your website is both mobile friendly and desktop friendly, then there are a high chances that your website is stable and the technical SEO part is done properly. The next one is the speed optimization. Suppose you visit a particular website and see the loading time of that website is more than 15 or maybe even more than 30 seconds. There is a high possibility that you will skip that website. You won't be there, you will just go back and check for another website. So this is where speed optimization comes. This part is mostly done due to the high resolution of images. Whenever you upload an image on a particular website, please make sure that the image size is less than 1 MB. If it is more than 5 MB, then make sure that you compress that particular image. So let us dive deep into the SEO part. Now let me explain what is on-page SEO actually does. So on-page SEO consists of all the elements which you can control. Even though your website ranked on page 1, you still need to continue the process because it keeps getting updated. So let us assume that your website is ranking on page number 1. If you stop performing these activities, then there is a possibility that your website will rank below. like it may go to the page number 2, 3, or if you don't perform these activities on a regular basis, the website might also get disappeared, or it might also be seen at the last page, maybe ninth or 10th page on a Google search. So SEO is not a one time activity. You have to keep repeating the process in order to stay on number 1. Now, when should you do the on page SEO? There are two major time where you will do on page SEOs, that is one time setup and once in a while. One time setup includes the SSL certificate and the domain name, whatever domain you have used, the domain extension, all the things are called as one time setup. Once in a while, in a sense, you need to keep your website updated. You have to add some of the features which are new to your website, or there are some other updates which is going on in your organization. You are uploading some blogs. It has to be updated on a regular basis. That has to be done. Now let us understand what are the factors to work on page SEO. So these are some of the factors which you need to take care when you are working on the on page SEO. The first one is mobile optimized. As I said, a website should be opened both on laptop as well as your mobile phones. The second one is user friendly URL. User friendly URL means your website must have the domain character, or the website's name should be under 15 characters, maximum to 15 characters. So let me take an example. If you open any particular website like google.com, amazon.com, there is a high possibility that you will remember the name for a long period of time, because that website's name is very easy. So I'll give you another website's example, Amazon shops in India in Bangalore.com. So this is a very huge amount of characters we have used over this example. So these kind of things you need to avoid while adding the user friendly URL. URL should be friendly and short. The next one is image optimization. As we discussed, that image should be optimized and the size has to be compressed. When it has more than 5 to 6 MB, that image has to be compressed. Now the title tag, description and headings. When you are writing a blog, the heading of the blog will be your title tag. The brief summary which you give on the blog is called the description. So based on the requirement, your headings will go to heading 6 maybe, or heading 7, heading 8. That depends on your particular article. Now let us go to the off-page SEO. So these are the actions taken apart from the website to improve ranking in the search engine results page. Let us understand with an example. So the efforts which you do apart from your website are called as an off-page SEO. That means backlinking is one of the major thing which comes in the off-page SEO. You might have seen some of the website which has redirect links from one website to another website. That is called as backlinking. We will understand what is backlinking even more in the upcoming classes. So these are some of the techniques, or maybe even called as some of the examples which includes off-page SEO. Backlinking is the major part of off-page SEO. Apart from that, you can also go with ebooks, free listing on the websites like Just Dial, Google My Business, Sulekha, these kind of things. Alternate text for an image is nothing but whenever you write a blog or whenever you upload an image on your website, you should name that image. That comes under alt text. The next one is guest blogging, and the last one is Q&A submission. Guest blogging is nothing but you will be writing some blogs, or you will be publishing some blogs by your guests, and Q&A submission is nothing but the FAQ part which you see on almost all the websites in the contact us section. So these are some of the SEO tools which can be used. The first one is Google Analytics. The second one is Google My Business. The next one is answerthepublic.com. So if you are worried about creating content on a social media platform and you are worried about the topic to choose, you can go to answerthepublic.com and see what people are searching in your particular niche, and you can create content for that. The second one is Google My Business. So this comes under local SEO. If you have a particular location, maybe suppose you are in Bangalore, you have a shop in Bangalore, or maybe e-commerce store in Bangalore, you can list your shop and you can list your location by using the help of Google My Business. The last one is Google Analytics. Google Analytics helps you to understand what is the behavior of your customer or your audience on your particular website. So these things will be explained in further sessions. So I hope you understood what is SEO. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next class.